All right, guys. So in this section of the dispatch screen courses, we are going to go over things that matter to a driver. So the first thing is the status changes on the driver side. Now we can manually update these, or the driver can do it from their app. So once we receive an order, obviously it's going to be either in a new or confirmed status. From here, we are going to place it. So in this case, I'm just gonna put it in placing mode, and I'm just gonna say that the pickup time is 5:10 because this order is due at 5:30. We'll put 5:10 p.m. and I confirmed the order. And now we can see that the order has been placed. Ideally, right, you can assign orders to the drivers before they're placed, but for the sake of being as efficient as possible, you want to have the orders placed once the drivers are going to the restaurant to pick it up. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to assign the order to the driver, and you can see this big button here that says assign/unassigned driver, and then it has parentheses A. This is the shortcut to assign orders. So we can go click on the order, click on the driver, and click assign, or press this button. We're going to press this button, and now you can see that the driver has this order right here. So now what we can do is let the driver update once they arrive to the restaurant, right? So you will also see that in DC, which is driver status, that no order was sent to the driver. So it is assigned to him, but what we need to do is we need to click on the order and send the order to the driver. And now in this test case, this is not going to work, but this little window here is going to change colors, and it will say that the order has been sent to the driver, and then it's going to turn green once the order has been accepted by the driver, right? So once he accepts it, we are going to be able to let the driver update from here, right? So once they arrive to the restaurant from the DeliverLogic app, they will be able to, from the DriverLogic app, I apologize, they will be able to mark this order as arrived. But if for some reason we need to manually do it, we can always do it. We can click on the order and mark it as arrived. So here you can see that the status has changed, and then from here, once the driver is leaving the restaurant, they will mark the order as en route, or we can do it manually by pressing R. And then you can see that now the driver is on the way to deliver that order. And from here, obviously, we can complete the order by marking it delivered. And if we do that, we're going to click on it and mark it delivered. And now we have this order delivered. Now, by default, this order is not going to show up on your dispatch screen, and all you need to do is show delivered orders, and it's going to populate back up in case you need to edit something or change anything. So those are driver statuses. Now from here, we are going to move on to some other things that are related to the driver. All right, I'll see you in the next video.